Come here.
It's recording.
Is there a red dot?
Yep, it's...
Hey, I think you have one more surprise.
What surprise?
Put that down. What did you tell Gigi you wanted her to bring you back from Disney World? Or, what was the first thing? Cinderella's Castle? Come here.
What surprise? Look, Mommy. Look. Look.
What is that?
Cinderella.
It's Cinderella's Castle. And that's for you.
Is she kissing it?
Hey, that's for you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You want to take it inside? I'll help you. Okay.
Or she's got it.
Here.
Oh no.
What do you think about that?
Are you going to jump up and down for joy?
No.
Why not?
He did.
Because I'm a little adult. That's why.
Open it.
Do you love Gigi?
Yeah. Open it.
You want to give
What do you
Gigi a hug?
say?
Thank
Give me
you.
a hug.
Open it.
Give me a hug.
Thank you for the surprise.
You're welcome for your surprise. You give me a kiss?
Mm.